Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys how to properly remove your lace frontal wigs when you guys get them installed with bolt hold, okay? So first things first, whoo, she is ready to come off. My head is like literally itching. And now I am going to push all of my hair away from my hairline as much as I can. Get it out of the way. I have a towel handy just to clean up all the excess dripping and things like that. And I am going to take the bolt hold remover. All right, and I am going to spray my entire hairline with the bolt hold remover. Try to rub it in a little bit. Don't be too rough with your lace, okay, you guys? Let it do what it's supposed to do. It's not gonna come off right away. A lot of people sometimes use 91% alcohol to remove their lace. I only remove it with look it, it's already coming up right here. I only remove it with 91% alcohol if I don't have the remover with me. Look it, it's already starting to come up. You just need to let it do its thing, okay? So I just rub it in there. And this is what I do for my clients who want to get their wig taken off, washed, and get their wig put back on. I'll go ahead and do this process as well. And hopefully, you know, regardless if it's bolt hold or not, you guys have a lace glue in unison with whatever, lace remover in unison with whatever lace glue that you're using at the time. It's better to use the products that work good with each other within the same line. All right, so I just kind of do a little tugging so I can see what may need a little bit more massaging in. All right, I just kind of let it do its thing, and you can see it's already starting to come up over here, and you can see my wig cap right there. I kind of want to get it underneath my wig cap a little bit so I can get it off completely. And then of course, if you need to go in and clean up your hairline after the fact with a little bit of alcohol or soap and water, you definitely for sure can do that. But normally once I get it off, I still spray it with the remover, and that way the excess glue can just come right off. So it's starting to lift on this side. I'm letting it do its thing. This part is like super down, okay? Kind of push it back off of my head. Get all this excess oil that's dripping down my face. Not oil, excuse me. It's their lace remover solvent, because y'all know Tamika, she definitely explained what is in her products. And oil, look, this side is already up completely. I just put that on there, let it do its thing. Coming right up, come right up, off. Now I have it sewn down in the back. Let me cut it out really quick. I just sewed a few strands down in the back. All right, so this is how my lace looks once it has been taken off. Little bit of glue there, that's an easy cleanup. Didn't really get too much glue on the edges here, but here I will soak it in some Dawn dish soap. I will soak it in hot water and a little bit of oil as well. It helps with the slippage of getting my glue off of my frontal. And then I will reinstall it when I'm ready to reinstall it. But that is pretty much it on how you get your lace wig off of your head. So for any excess residue that I have on my lace, I'll spray a little bit more of the remover, rub it in a little bit, let it do its thing. All right, let me get this cap off. A lot of my clients come to me to do this part because they can't see the thread in the back of their head and cut it properly. I think once you've taken enough weaves out, you know that the thread is a little bit thicker than your natural hair, and you know exactly what it feels like to cut off. So I just feel for the thread and then I just take it off. All right, so these are my braids underneath, as you can see. Get this cap off. All I did was use Got2b spray to spray down my cap. Oh, you guys, let me stop right here while I'm here. So this part, as you can see, is a little part that kind of got stuck on my edges. Try to massage the remover on those areas. Take your time This is the main reason why people have a lot of breakage or hair that may not grow back in some areas, because all they do is pull it and go. A little piece already came off by me massaging it. All they do is pull it and go. They don't give those little hairs time to come off. So I'm just gonna take it easily. And if I look at this little part here, there are no strands of hair on the cap that came off, okay? So this is my cap. I'm gonna just toss that in the trash. And now you can see the excess glue along my hairline. So what I'll do is take a small comb and kind of work it out, because it's still kind of stuck to my scalp, and then you'll get little pieces of glue starting to come up. Okay, so I'll just do that. For these areas, the remover is already starting to kind of dissolve these little pieces of glue here, so I'm not gonna have nothing to worry about. Look, that piece just fell off. When taking it out, take your time. Keep your towel right here next to you so you can take off the glue. Wipe it off if you need to. The glue pretty much comes off in my hands. All right, and you can definitely add a little bit of alcohol to your towel and then just kind of wipe the glue off. All that glue coming off of my comb. And if you do have low edges, you guys, you definitely have a little bit more work to do. Y'all can see I got a big old forehead, so I don't have a lot of work that I need to do for this lace wig removal. This is all pretty much on my skin. I think the only part, I already worked this part out already. I just have to work this part out right here. That's right on the edge of my hairline. So I'm just gonna take it slowly, comb it through, or let it soak as long as you possibly can. I already got a lot of glue out of that little comb through right there. And now I can go in with my alcohol and clean up the excess amount around my skin. There we go. It is coming out. Clean up all the excess. So let me go ahead and get my alcohol, and then I can start wiping it since I've combed that side out. All right, hopefully my air conditioning in here is not too loud, you guys. It got really hot in here. But I'm gonna take my, look, this is 99% alcohol, but I normally use 91%, but I'm not gonna be rubbing this too hard. Very easily rub this on your head. So I take my alcohol, I squirt it on a little corner of my towel here, and I just kind of rub it across my forehead just to get the remaining glue off. I got a lot of glue in that run, so I just wipe it, get the remaining glue off. You can definitely use soap and water as well if you don't want to use something as harsh as alcohol. It's coming right off. All right. Whew. Let me get a little bit more alcohol. And that is pretty much it, you guys. I just wipe the excess off my forehead, off the edges of my hairline, and I will just go ahead, and once I'm ready for a new install, like I could honestly install the wig again by brushing back my edges to make sure they're nice and slick, putting on a new cap on my head, and then just installing the wig again. Be mindful, it is summertime, so I for sure have a wig tan line. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Easy cleanup, only takes about 10-15 minutes. Let it soak in really good, and you should be good and ready to go for your next install. If you ever need to take your wigs down at home, definitely try to get the removers that come with the glue that you guys use. If not, you can definitely dab a little alcohol, you know, along your lace, and you'll still be okay. You just have to be very careful. Using too much alcohol can dry out your lace. It can dry out your skin. So be mindful about using a lot of alcohol when you remove your wigs every single time, okay? So now I can take these braids down and go ahead and get my braids, my individual braids done tomorrow. Hopefully I can get a video of that, you guys. I really do. So stay tuned for more videos like this. Please don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos like this to help you guys out. I'm always here. If you guys want to see anything specific on my channel, don't hesitate, comment below, DM me, email me, however you need to reach me. I'm always here, I'm always listening, always responding to my comments and concerns below. And I thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.